So I want us to add some trades to this portfolio. Most of the portfolio are now 1 month. This one was entered around precisely on the 5th of February, and we now have 1,500 pips. Euro USD, we have 1,600 pips. So let me see if we can do a top-down analysis on Australian dollar CHF, that is France. Australian dollar France currency. Okay, it's already here. Let's see. So this is how I'm going to do my analysis. I will open 6 charts, so that it will give me a preview. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to, now when you look here, you will not see a pattern, but when you follow the proper way, you will notice that there is a pattern. So let me use the normal template we use. I'm going to the monthly time frame. This is the monthly time frame. Then this one will be weekly. In doing top-down analysis, you start from the monthly, weekly, then daily, then down to 4-hourly and 1 hour. You can use the 1 hour and 15 minutes for entry. So this is the daily time frame. This is the 4-hourly time frame. You see how I arranged it in such a way that I can easily have overview of what is happening on each of the time frame. This will help in fast analysis in subsequent times. So what can we see in monthly time frame for this pair? We can you notice anything? Let me know in the comment section before you proceed. Just ask your brain if you can notice anything. I can figure out some pattern. This is more of a harmonic pattern, butterfly. So I will be expecting price to respect this area. Okay, let me add the psychological level. It will equally help us to form confluence. So this is area of confluence. This area should be our first profit taking. This area should be our second profit taking. We have support and resistance area, and we have round number. Then this area should be our third profit taking. So on the monthly time frame, Australian dollar is bullish. On the weekly time frame, what is happening? Weekly, this is the weekly time frame. So we're expecting, we have a trend line. Can you observe anything? We have a trend line. Yes, we have a trend line. First touch, this is first touch, this is second touch. Then we have this trend line also. which one do we will use? This gave rise to this, so let's use this. So we have a trend line. So let's go back to the candlestick chart pattern. So this is what we have in the weekly. So we are going to be waiting for a break. We are going to be waiting for a break of this and retest of this trend line, or it will just touch the trend line and continue going down. So the time will tell. We are not in a haste. So to be on a safe side, we are going to leave this trade to break this trend line or sell it around this area depending on the pattern at this area, or we can buy and anticipate that it will break this area because of the pattern we are seeing in the monthly time frame. However, we are approaching the resistance level in the monthly time frame. So this market, this price could as well reach here and come back. So we don't know yet. So for us to be on the safe side, I will just wait and see how price will react around this area. If price breaks this zone and come back, it will be safer. Then we are going to be anticipating that price will approach this area. So we are going to be, if it breaks this place, come down, we are going to be targeting this area. We are going to be entering around this zone. So that is the analysis for AUDCHF, Australian dollars, France CAF. Then on the daily time frame, what can we see on the daily time frame? We have, this is supply zone, and this is more like a trend line liquidity. So we are anticipating this liquidity hunt. We are also anticipating that price will approach this area. So we can buy with a small lot. We can be risking what we have now. We have 220,000 USD approximately. So we can be risking 1% or 0.5% on this trade. So let us risk 0.5%. Let me calculate what we are going to get. 0.5% of 220. 0.5% times 220,000 will give us 1,100. So we are going to risk $1,100 in this trade. Remember, we are working on getting a prop firm. This is just preparation for getting a prop firm so that one will not fail again. We are working on our emotion. We are working on our psychology. One of the main things that kills trader is their inability to control their psychology. So this challenge now, I'm trying to take 200k to 500k, and in that process I will work on my psychology. I will work on my emotions so that I will not be having FOMO. I will not be entering trades with large amount of lots, and thereby jeopardizing my chances of passing the prop firm. So I'm going to enter this trade. I'm going to be risking $1,000 in this trade. So let me use about 0.50 buy here. So I can't find the template somehow. Let me use another simple. Okay, I can now find the template. So we're anticipating that price will come this area. We're anticipating that this is a kind of trend line stop liquidity zone. So we'll be anticipating that price will be coming this area. So let's say we put our stop loss here. Remember that anything can happen in the market. A news can come out and the whole thing will just be messed up. The whole analysis will not just be messed up. So we are risking 300. So let's add another 300 to make it 600. 0.50. Our target is this area. So let's also add another 300. Another $300 risk. So everything is around 900. We are risking about 900 USD, and we are going to be making double of that. We calculate the risk. We are going to the risk reward ratio with my FIB tool. So our risk reward ratio in this trade is, it's not good in this area. Okay, our risk reward ratio in this trade should be about about 1:3. Then if we are to take some profit here, maybe we are going to extend one, take profit to this area. Our risk reward will now be 1:5. That's fantastic. So let's extend one to this zone. Remember, this is a game of waiting. We need to be patient. For price to travel from this zone to this zone, it will take up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, up to 2 weeks. So we are going to wait for 2 weeks for the price to arrive to this area, then another 1 week or more for price to arrive to this area. That is why I say this is a waiting game. If you don't have patience, it will be difficult for you to be successful in trading. Forget all those stuff they tell you about scalping. So traders, that is all we have for today. Keep on studying, keep on analyzing the chart. Each day will take you closer to your success. Each day will take you closer to being a profitable trader. Never give up. Never give up. Never give up. You will always fail, but just know that is not the end. When you fail, get up. When you fail, get up. When you fail, get up. Thomas Edison failed for how many times? Find out. And he later discovered the most important inventions of our time. So have a nice day.